Cultural relics are non-renewable resources and the most valuable manifestation of civilization inheritance. Times have changed and many cultural relics have fallen asleep. We need to help them restore their appearance and awaken their vitality. What kind of experiences in restoring cultural relics? Come with me and let's have a look.
Resurrection of cultural relics is actually a very tedious process and seamlessly simple process require great care and patience. The rubbing of millennium and old civilization have preserved culturally precious cultural relics and also plays an important role in the inheritance of Chinese culture.
Every cultural relic embodies the wisdom of its ancestors. It preserves the historical heritage that has been deposited for thousands of years. It is the continuous protection for generations that enables this precious historical heritage to be passed down.